Hi, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we have a crease in the hood of the Integra here. And I got a dent puller kit, I guess you would call it, with the plastic. You glue them on and then you try to pull the dent out. I will see how that works today. You guys follow along. We'll take a look. Of course, the glue sticks I bought were too big for my little glue gun. So anyway, I'm going to try something. It's probably not the right way, but I'm going to try it anyhow. Who knows, maybe the heat will take some of this out anyway. Alright, see how this thing works, whether it pulls it up or not. Never used it before, so first time for everything. Go crossways with the dent. Some tension on it. See if we're in the video or not. Well, she popped. Still definitely a dent there. Try it again with another one. Just following the crease, maybe the metal will expand a little bit and pop up. Right back to the same spot. Press down. Right, let's see if it'll pull any. There. It's still spanning. It'll go this way this time. It's definitely flexing the metal. Maybe I should be tapping. I think I'm losing it there. Yeah, I think I'll tap with a hammer. Outside edge of that. Oh, she popped pretty easy. Yeah, it's hard to tell whether it's coming up or not. I think the center actually is. Now this glue, hopefully it'll come off with an acetone. Yeah, that center is higher than it was. So there's a low and there's a low yet. We'll keep at her. Okay, hope it didn't wait too long there. Down and cool it. I don't know if you guys can see that flux in it, but it definitely moves the metal. Alright, that's actually coming up. Believe it or not. Try right there too. Okay, well, we're going to get the glue off and see what that looks like. Well, to clean her up, I will try this trick. I have a razor blade. I do have a utility knife, and just with the tape on each side, you should be able to stay the tape thickness away from the paint. Anyhow, we'll give this a go. Well, I still nicked it a little bit on the paint. I'll go on less of an angle, perhaps. Oh, I got into it both times. That's me. I think I'm digging too hard. In theory, that's worked pretty good. And I'll try some acetone. Hopefully it doesn't mess with that exposed piece too much. Well, there's still a little crease in there, but it's gone quite a bit. Let's see if we can get close up. Oh, that's the wrong one. I gotta go this way. To clean the glue off that mech and your thumbnail, just scrape and then just keep it, makes it a little more soluble and it comes up pretty good. Now, hadn't I nicked it here and was able to, it actually cleaned her up pretty good. The dent is mostly gone. If the guy's going to paint in the future, a little skim coat would take care of that. I had just a little bit of that Milano Red in a can, but I don't want to risk it with the spray can, so I'll just try and spritz it with the airbrush here. See if we can clean that mark up. And that's pretty much it. That's all I had of that. It looks a lot lighter on there, doesn't it? Well, just gonna hit her quick with some 2000 wet. Yeah, the red doesn't look bad in there, but it kind of went pinky on the outside. But just give her a light sand and see how things look. Still feel a little dent with my hands. Nothing terrible. I say if I end up painting this car in the future, the less body work then will be good. Something like that. It's still looking a little red compared to the rest of it. Looking horrible. Maybe a little more. Not putting really any pressure on, just light. Well, definitely looks better dent wise. There's a change in color, but not horrible. Like I say, it's livable until it gets a real paint job. Might even hit her with some polish just to see if it comes back a little. So just gonna hit her quick with some rubbing compound. Okay, well, that didn't even pull the different color out so much, but the dent is almost gone, and that was my initial, is what I was going for. Yeah, if you guys, like I say, this isn't a how-to channel. This is how to maybe make it better than it was yesterday, and as far as dent-wise, it certainly is that. If you're enjoying what you see, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.